The One UI 6.101 update for the Galaxy S23 series is now reaching more countries. Initially launched on September 5 for the Galaxy S24, Galaxy S24 Plus, and Galaxy S24 Ultra, the update became available a week later for other 2023 flagship models. The Galaxy S23, Galaxy S23 Plus, and Galaxy S23 Ultra first received the update in South Korea. Now users in additional regions including Europe, India, Iraq, Indonesia, Thailand, Vietnam, and Saudi Arabia are starting to get the update, which comes with firmware version S91XBXXU6CX-7 and a file size of approximately 2.8 gigs. While this update does not include the September 2024 security patch, Samsung has begun rolling out the One UI 6.11 update for the Galaxy S24, Galaxy S24 Plus, and Galaxy S24 Ultra in both China and the USA. In China, the update is designated with firmware version S9280Z3X7, while in the USA, carrier-locked devices receive version S928USQ3X7. This substantial update, weighing over 2.8 gigs, includes the August 2024 security patch instead of the newer September 2024 patch. Key features and enhancements in One UI 6.11 are Galaxy AI upgrades, transform simple sketches into artwork, create AI-powered portraits, and use the new Samsung Keyboard Composer for text generation. Real-time translation, available for calls and apps like Google Meet and WhatsApp, with the ability to translate text on web pages and in voice recordings. Image and video tools, new options for enhancing photos with live effects, quickly saving and sharing slow-motion clips, and making animated stickers and GIS from photos. Health and wellness. Samsung Health now includes an energy score, detailed sleep analysis, support for sharing health data with family, new workout routines, and compatibility with cycling power meters. Productivity enhancements. Smart Select now provides suggested actions based on screen content, an improved multi-window experience, easier file management in My Files, and new calendar features. Additional features. Upgrades to Samsung's weather effects on wallpapers, simpler call answering options, more frequent weather updates, and enhanced security settings. Overall, One UI 6.11 brings a host of new features aimed at boosting creativity, productivity, and security for the Galaxy S24 series. Thank you so much for joining me in this video. If you enjoyed what you saw, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button below. Peace out.